Misano na isato litikulia lero baba kubekerwa chigutwa magaga yokonyora amaegerio asom inseyo muroberio omanyikante na ajiri program omuroberio korekana asegeti yechigosori kya Gusii Stadium ime yomucho bosongo kora wano mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ukwana chinga kecho Arati go aliyeirayo jakwene kyabuna aboroki wabo babere bagosirwa asenchire yemoyo kubakonya kwegenderia ase amatukari bosyo nonye naboni go siasa yabetense ngakyo mukonyi bwo Governor Dr. Monda abagawe so kya teneni nagoteba buna nara mono Governor nabo igoni golauchia kogendera ko bwatrana asogoskia county ya Kisii bosyo marike 2000 mumanyi nekirana sayo nagotwariganira roboti rwa senchira iyo wikirano Asentunde yende na indenigo omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Simba Arati arao omoyega bwa barokigwa wetanya chimya isano na isatu abubabekerwa egutwa ase omorobere bwa ajiri uyo obwate chikosi ao gati yabo computer amone chikosi chebyasara gati yechinde chinyenge ase geti kya Gusii Stadium ase bono omugavana ayene kiribu namba chikogendera no morobere yo nabo igogosira abarokigwa abogwetera ebyombe ao
The Ajiri Center is a game changer in providing a platform for our young men and women to showcase their skills, talents, and expertise. Indeed, the Ajiri Center is important in the quest for youth and women empowerment in digital skills and digital economy. Through MasterCard, Shafco organization has also come in to help us in sponsoring our youths to pursue technical courses in various technical colleges. Over 300 trainees from the Ajiri Center are benefiting from the sponsorship program from Shafco this year, and 400 more students have been earmarked for the next year.
Omoraibu abasai ase county ya Kisii Dennis Mosoti nigo asemiri abasai abo gochya gutumika chisemi banyolire aso kwenyorera chigasi nonya nase emetandao engane yo yaegwa okoboko.
Mambo ya mitandao inaajiri watu. Kuna pesa wakati unaitumia mtandao vizuri. But ukienda kutumia mtandao kutusi viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa, hakuna manufaa. Hakuna chakula itakuwekea kwa meza. Kuna watu ambao wanaandika vizuri online and they get paid.
I know some of you when you graduate you feel like I should be employed. That mentality should not be with you. Because if Governor Arati was for employment, he couldn't be here today.
Siasa titigiri magega ase omoyego yo ase bono omokonyi bo mugavana Dr. Monda aine kyabuna mbagendererete kubwatera no mugavana ase ogokora egasi na yani gago chama egayayegwa kwa amagena buna nigo amotamire omugavana bwe county ya Kisii.
Tuwache maneno. Monda ndio gavana, deputy gavana ya wapi? Wale wanasutafuta kazi kupitia kwa jina Monda gavana. The young men around running for jobs. Wamekuja kwa kuambia Monda ameenda, Monda will resign, Monda is going away, Monda has been taken by UDA. Wani nilikuwa deputy gavana wa kuresign. Nani aliwadanganya hivyo? Hakuna mahali naenda.
Ase chinga kiecho ni gogati ya barai abubaikirana bamugania Dr. Monda kubwaterana no mugavana eliokogendereria county ya Kisii.
Mheshimiwa Deputy Governor, wale watu wengine wanakudanganya. Wameanza kukusingia, wamesema ya kwamba ukifanya kazi na governor mutabadilisha jimbo letu la Kisii. Wameanza kukunyemelea, kukuchukua, usisaidie governor kufanya maendeleo katika jimbo letu la Kisii. Nale kwa sababu ndo baminto. Kaki ebire tabiri bita itogo tutukani. Kwa sasa itana hata itokoru sana ni deputy governor amona governor mwanja totele maishindo katika jina la Yesu.
Wewe kuja kaa chini na governor muongee muelewane. Hii maneno ya kukimbia pale mtaenda pale na itakuwa labda ni shida.
Kulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.